Guys, we are starting with Deepseek a Chinese model, and it's like directly compared to the OpenAI. So now write this in a barcode deepseek.com and start now. Okay, so you will get this type of interface here, and in this interface, think R1. So choose think R1. So think R1 is for reasoning logics. So like we can write here that create a space invader game. Okay, you can use the Google search also. ठीक है, if you require. So it's thinking. Look at here, thinking. It's thinking. Okay, so it's a logical base and reasoning base and thinking based model, and which is directly like is very good in this. Like here, and he is giving everything. If you read the first 2 3 line, okay, I need to create a space invader game using Python. Let me think about how to approach this. First, I should recall the basics. The player control the spaceship, and look at the like description. This has given the all description, and below that you can see like here. It's my still like thinking and creating. Okay. Still creating. So the major feature is that it's always think first, thought for 52 seconds. So this model I have taken only 52 seconds and given me this code. Okay, here you can see the Python code. Okay, here is the complete space invader using Python Pygame and corrected movement, collision detection and game mechanics. Okay, and this is the code. Now we can copy it and use it. And here is the other feature implementation. Okay, so this is DeepSeek model. Now like I want to search what is the American not American, Indian stock, best stock gainer today. Okay, found 46 result thinking. So basically this tool also search on the web, and here is the icon. You can select it from here, and it's thinking, searching on the web and thinking. What is the top gainer? Today in January 2025, the user want to, so basically this is updated up to 25. The user want to, first I need to look through the provided search result, find me the most recent and relevant information. The search result includes several web pages about the stock market. Looking at the dates on the web page, one or two from the, it's like searching as a human. Okay, so we can, so top gainer based on the recent data, current price 2668, GMR airport infrastructure predicted price 71.5%. Okay, मुक्त charge current price 58, highlight the low price. So this has given me something, and it's very good, and it's also doing the web search right now. So guys, this is model is very amazing. So now we will go with the new chat. Okay, and uploading file for the searching. Okay, so now we will remove the search and upload some file. Okay, so I will upload this PDF and explain me this PDF and write some improvement suggestion for my presentation. We are pitching AI survey tool so it's taking the result and it's saying okay. So I need to explain the PDF and improve. So what is the main reason that this is the okay? So I need to explain this PDF and suggest an improvement for presenting pitching in AI survey tool. Let me start by understanding the PDF content. PDF is about an AI powered resolution text designed to help constitute with their MP3 MPs and member of Pale. Okay, nice. Now to suggest some improvement, clarify the current system is for issue. The presentation is about the survey tool. and then okay, the align purpose clearly, multi-channel data collection, dashboard and a personalized real-time training. So it's have given something. So amazing tool, guys, and it's totally free. You can use it. There is no, and you can also get the app here by scanning the code only. And this is nothing, just like giving me the area. And here are your chats. Okay, so use it, and if you want to more, just follow. Okay, thank you.